Hi everyone, how are you? I'm good, hope you are doing well too. So, you must have seen from the caption that I have spoken about certain certifications which you can get absolutely free. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the topic. On 9th July 2017, the then President of India, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, launched an initiative. This initiative was called Swayam. It was launched to create learning opportunities for students and learners who probably do not have the financial strength or stability to get proper education from reputed institutes. This education initiative was created by the Ministry of Education to help these learners scale themselves with certification courses absolutely free in this government learning portal called Swayam. Swayam is a program initiated by the Government of India for creating digital learning platforms for students and young professionals. These courses were created by the best of teachers and faculties across the country. Over 1,000 faculty members and teachers have been selected specially for designing this course and preparing a particular course curriculum. The full form of Swayam is Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Professionals. This platform has created several courses which are aligned to the needs of the organization and the industries so that learners can get employment opportunities after completing the certification for these courses. In this video, I will be only speaking about Swayam Central, which is the learning opportunities for students, especially in the graduation, post-graduation and master's field. In my next vlog, as I mentioned, this is a two-part vlog. In my next part, I will be speaking about Swayam Plus, which is a platform, which is an extended platform created for young professionals, and there are different kinds of courses and certificates provided by the companies and industries across the country. So without wasting much time, let me get back into my laptop screen. Please keep an eye out so that I can take you through the portal and show you all the courses that are available there. Also, how you can apply for these courses, what are the duration, and many more details. You can go to Google, type Swayam. It is already taking Swayam Central because I have opened it earlier to check the platform. This is Swayam Central. Yes. Now that I've opened it, see, this gives me an option to sign in and register. I will click on this button. It will give me options like this. You can create an account or you can sign in with Microsoft or Google account. I will sign in with my Google account. It is already taken in my Gmail account. Now, if you scroll down here, you can see the total number of courses is 13,150 and more. What are the ongoing courses, total enrollments, total certifications? All these details are given over here. If you scroll down, you will see they have partnered with top institutions to provide best quality education content for free, such as AICTE, CEC, IGNOU, IIM Bangalore, INI, NCRT, and NPTEL UGC. Free course from top universities. Find free courses from the best universities, self-paced learning, earn certifications, and you can get university credits as well. So some of these courses are already here. We will get into some details. So if you click on About Swayam, you will get to see that this is an initiative by the Government of India, as I mentioned earlier, for creating learning opportunities for people. So it provides school education, out of school education, undergraduate education and postgraduate education. So I've clicked on all the courses. In this all the courses you can see, these are the type of courses. See if you can see 3D printing and design, 5G wireless standard design, basic course in machine. There are plenty of courses. On the left hand side, if you see, there are filters. So you can see if you want to get a course under each of these affiliated universities like AICTE, IGNOU, IIM, Bangalore. So you can see, look at these, affiliations if you have a specific choice as to where you want to get, certified from. Then you have the course mode. It is a self-paced or a regular one. So regular one is there will be digital classes where you need to attend, and self-paced is as per your convenience. You can log in and learn whenever you want to. There will be recorded videos. So course duration, it has course duration such as from starting from 4 weeks to 24 weeks, whatever seems feasible to you. Exam dates. So for each of the courses, before getting a certification, you need to appear for exams. So there are these possible exam dates out of which you can choose which is convenient to you as per your preparation and select for your exams. Course credits. This is the category. So in this category, you can see what are the different types of courses that are there. So let me click on law. If you see, I'm just showing you an example. Okay, let me take administrative law. Although I have logged in earlier in this, I will also try to show you something new, but let me click on this first and show it to you. If you see, since I have already logged into this course earlier, it is showing like this. So if you see administrative law, who is the course facilitator, which is the department. So this is Department of Law, under which university, where is it located. There are already 1540 people who have enrolled for this course. Now you can see a little bit of mock introduction about this course, what it is all about. The summary of this course is also mentioned here. So the course status is upcoming. Course type is core. Duration 12 weeks. Category law. Credit points 4. So undergraduate course, what is the start date, end date, enrollment date ends on. So there are these particular courses with enrollment dates, and you need to check whether it is within that enrollment date period. And they have also given you the exam date. So there are some details about the course, what it is all about, some, what are the course outline, what will be taught to you in each of the weeks in this course. So this seems to be a 12-week course. What are the books that you can refer during the 12 weeks of this course? A little bit about the instructor, his details, and then what are the course certificate, 30% for in course assessment and 70% for end term online exams. So let's say I want to register for this course. Since I've already registered, I can go to course. So I have registered for a self-paced learning system. I will also show you a different course where how you can register and what are the things that you need to fill in. I will show you that as well. But because I have taken this example first, let me go through this. Administrative law. Again, what it is all about, and this is the first video, it seems. Course type, course layout, what it will be taught, details are given over here. So I can click on this video and I can start seeing the course, and one by one it will show the progress. So this is the progress navigator. Discussion forum is there. If you want to discuss, then the mentor details. So if you want to discuss with the mentor, details are given over here. Review of your assignments will be given over here. So it is a very detailed, comprehensive course outline. Now, how can you register for courses? Let us look at another course and find out. So let's say I want to take this course, Advanced Constitutional Law. You can see how many people have enrolled for this course. This is taken by the faculty, name is given. So in this course also you can see how many Learners have joined this course 1564. Again, course details are given over here. Duration is given 15 weeks course. Credit points, post graduation. This is a postgraduate level course. The start date and the end date is given. Enrollment date is also given over here. Exam date is also given. So if you scroll down, you'll see the course layout. What is taught in each of these 15-week course. Books that you can refer and the instructor bio. In this course certificate, they have mentioned the course is free to enroll and learn. Internal assessment is 30 marks. Examination is 70 marks. Minimum 40% in each of the required to qualify for the completion certificate. Now, let me see if I want to take this course. So, if I want to take this course, I need to click on join. Once you have filled this form, you need to click on update profile and join course. Here it is. You have joined this course. So the form talks about your numbers, whether you are a student or not, what is the course that you want to take and why do you want to take it, your phone number, your address, basic details. Once you click on the acceptance button, submit button, it takes you to this page and now you can start this course. There are plenty of other courses. I would suggest you have a look at it. I have shown you the platform and I have also shown you how you can avail these certificate courses. Now you do not need to invest so much of money in getting courses from these reputed institutions. You can straight away go to the Swayam app, choose the course which suits you best and get the certification. Make yourself job ready. If you like this content and if you want to see more of this kind of content, please do let me know. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, watch out for the part 2 of this vlog. Part 2 of the vlog will talk about Swayam Plus, how you can make yourself job ready and how you can grow in your existing job through different kinds of certifications. Thank you and see you in my next vlog. Bye.